Hey guys, we have a wig review and it is from Iseehair, the Princess Collection. They sent me over a beautiful half wig. It is Afro curly and 24 inches stretch. It also came with an adjustable strap, a wig band for your lace wigs, and y'all, that's so beautiful. Look at the logo on it. That is so cute. And wig caps, because you can never have too many of those. Those always come in the clutch. They have a contact info card so you can get in touch with them, and a card with wig instructions to show you how to properly care for your wig. Here I am just taking the wig out of the package so you guys can get a view of how beautiful and full this wig is, guys. It is so natural looking, super soft. It has clips and an adjustable strap for extra security. Stay tuned for the install. Thank you, Iseehair.